Yo, look at this. Look at all these freaking birds. Get out here. This is scary. Look, y'all. What in the world is this? This reminds me of the movie, Bird. Crow, whatever it's called. Y'all know that old movie. You know, you're flying up in the tree. Oh my gosh. I'm laying in bed, y'all, and I keep hearing something. And I'm like, them dang on birds is back. Yo, what in the heck? Don't mind the backyard. Delilah tore the yard up.
AKA all the
Oh my goodness.
y'all. If y'all
Day two of this.
if y'all live near the woods, y'all need to check if there's birds outside.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, it's so many in